create custom avatar from image in Android. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply open Play Store. Here we will search for Gemini. So I will search for Gemini. Now click on Google Gemini app. Now you guys need to install it. I added in Salutes. So I will simply click on open. After that, on top you guys will see Gemini 2.5 Plus. Also on downside you guys will see Ask Gemini. To simply click on image with banana icon. Now click on that plus icon. Here you guys will simply click on gallery. Now upload your pic that you want to create avatar from. So I will simply select the pic. Now click on done. Here you guys will paste that prompt that are showing on screen. After that, click on go option. Now wait for 10 seconds. Here we go, our custom avatar was ready. You guys can see how perfectly Nano Banana made it. Thanks for watching.